How can I get the concatenation of two lists in Python without modifying either one? In Python, the only way I can find to concatenate two lists is list.extend, which modifies the first list. Is there any concatenation function that returns its result without modifying its arguments?
Yes, list1 plus list2. This gives a new list that is the concatenation of list1 and list2.
The simplest method is just to use the plus operator, which returns the concatenation of the lists. Concat equals first underscore list plus second underscore list. One disadvantage of this method is that twice the memory is now being used. For very large lists, depending on how you're going to use it once it's created, itertools.chain might be your best bet. This creates a generator for the items in the combined list, which has the advantage that no new list needs to be created, but you can still use C as though it were the concatenation of the two lists. If your lists are large and efficiency is a concern, then this and other methods from the itertools module are very handy to know. Note that this example uses up the items in C, so you'd need to reinitialize it before you can reuse it. Of course you can just use list C to create the full list, but that will create a new list in memory.
Concatenated underscore list equals list underscore 1 plus list underscore 2.
You can also use sum, if you give it a start argument. This works in general for anything that has the plus operator. With the notable exception of strings.
You could always create a new list, which is a result of adding two lists. Lists are mutable sequences, so I guess it makes sense to modify the original lists by extend or append.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.